Hello, my beautiful subscribers, viewers, friends, family, loved ones. Good morning and happy Sunday to you all. This is Grace Formulas, where we learn skills that can bring us some money for us to be able to carry on with our lives, take care of ourselves, our family, expand our businesses. I am Victoria Udofia, your tutor, and today I'll be showing you how to produce a transparent soap base, which is also known as glycerin soap for your melt and pour soap production. If you're not using it for melt and pour soap production on your own, you can also sell it to people that wants to do melt and pour soap businesses, those who cannot go through the process of making the soap from the scratch and allowing it to saponify before they use. There are people that are so scared of caustic sodas, they're so scared of some chemicals. So you could do this as a business by producing it even at the comfort of your home with small tools. The ingredients are not that hard to find, yes. Yes, like me, I stay in the heart of the Akwa Ibom state. So there are lots of places that we can buy chemicals. Maybe subsequently, one day I'm going to put the contact of those chemical vendors that if you come across my channel, you love to purchase, you can call them. If you're out of Uyo, they can do waybill to you. If you're in Lagos, there's so many places, Onitsha, Aba, anywhere you are. Then I can also run training. I train people. Currently I train people on IT, students on ITs, even on GST, home training. If you want to be trained on things, soap, body cream, perfume, etc., I do that all and all. I train, yeah. So let's go back to it. My channel is all about handwritten formulas. So I'll just go through, make a video of this my handwriting and written, I beg your pardon, formulas for you. You can stay at the comfort of your parlor, go through this video, my handwriting, or if you are just going to run a production alongside it, you can just be watching it. I've written it out clear that you'll be able to see, so you can just be watching the video and carry out your production successfully. Yeah, please, at each point of my video you're watching, don't forget to drop a comment so I know how to improve. Yeah, sometimes my video may not be that clear because I don't have the necessary tools. I'm only making use of my little phone just to pass out the knowledge. Yeah, it's good to share the knowledge so you don't just talk and me alone. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this. I sit down when I have time. I write out the formulas on whatever it is that want to learn and I have an idea of. That's why I'm doing this. So please just bear with me. One day I'll get a good facility that will enable me to do a better video than what I am doing right now. And like I said, let's proceed immediately without wasting time. There's some tools and equipment you'll be needing for your transparent soap production. They are eye goggles, hand gloves, stove or maybe gas cooker, soap mold, most importantly a soap mold, yes, a stainless steel pot, a bowl, nose mask, mixing stroke measuring cup. I prefer you use two. One goes for your caustic soda dissolving, one for your alcohol measurement, and a thermometer for you to check the temperature of your production. And yeah, here it goes. And the measurements, ingredients, stroke measurements. The ingredients are ethanol, stearic acid, coconut oil, water, glycerin, If you like to add fragrance, you add it, etc. Those are the things you'll be needing to proceed for your production. The ethanol quantity for this particular set of batch of production, I have here 152 grams and the stearic acid 21 grams, my coconut oil 70 grams, and my water 41 grams is what you'll be needing for the production to come out strong, clear, and beautiful for you to sell or for you to use at the comfort of your home, instead of you having to go buy and be buying and be buying and be buying. Stop buying. Make it on your own. You will not regret. You can just use a small amount of money and make this at the comfort of your home. You can as well train people and be making some money. It's not everything we have to buy, be buying, be buying. At least once in a while, we have to make it on our own to enjoy what those who are also making for us to come and buying, to come and buy are also enjoying. Yeah, if you produce, there's joy when you make one thing on your own and it's something that you go out somewhere to buy. What if you don't have money always to buy, but the same amount you use in buying those ones, you can as well use it to make more than what you would have been buying with that amount of money. You can make it on your own. Wouldn't that be a wonderful thing? I bet you, my dear, it's real. It is the most wonderful thing one can ever think of. Caustic soda is 21 grams, glycerin 200 grams, fragrance 20 grams. And in my this batch of production, when I was making it, I made use of rose, morning rose, sweet vanilla. But you can choose, make your choice if you don't want to use morning rose and sweet vanilla. I actually love the scent afterwards and I like sweet vanilla. That was why I chose to experiment with morning rose and it came out so sweet, so lovely. Oh, it scents very nice. And my family loves the scent, especially when we're in the bathroom. Oh, I just want you to produce so you could experience what we are experiencing. Oh, it's so nice, so good to be a producer. So, my dear, welcome to the stage. Welcome to the up production. Welcome. I welcome you because you're going to enjoy. I've been enjoying for 10 years now being into production. My company name is actually Victradim Manufacturing Ventures Limited, and my brand name is Spiffy, spell capital Spiffy, in case you come across such a product in the market. So you can patronize me knowing it's my product. Some of my products are NAFDAC certified. Some we are still running the process of getting certification for them. You can as well do it to the stage of you certifying it and being a household name. Please just gently, calmly go through the video from the beginning till the end, and you'll not regret about doing it. You'll not regret about it. Yeah, it's from my heart to you. I love writing. That is why I choose to make my own channels to be a handwritten formulation channel. And I hope you love it because it comes from my heart to you. Yeah, of the truth. From my very heart, bottom of my heart, to you, my lovely subscribers, viewers, friends, and family. Yeah, please support me. Support your girl. support me. Support me so I can grow further than this. You will not regret for supporting someone like me, an ardent entrepreneur. So, the process of making the soap. First of all, you have to have your stainless steel pot, a bowl, a gas, and you bring out all your ingredients, your glycerin, the stearic acid, coconut oil, caustic soda, your water, your alcohol, your fragrances, etc., etc. And then you place your stainless steel pot on your gas or on your stove, and then add your coconut oil to it, your stearic acid, your glycerin to the pot, and allow it to melt completely. While the thing is melting, while your stearic acid is melting on the fire, on the heat source, go ahead to prepare your caustic soda, that's sodium hydroxide, or your lye solution. Wear your gloves, your nose mask, your goggle. Get your measuring cups, the two I talked about. Add your caustic soda into it and add water. You know, as the normal way of dissolving lye, sodium hydroxide is you don't add water to it. But on this batch of production, glycerin soap, I choose to do the other way around by adding my caustic soda to the container, my measuring cup, and then adding water to it so that it will drive the temperature higher, being that my stearic acid is hot. You understand? Yeah, that's why I choose to do it this way. You make sure it's completely dissolved and you set it aside. Yeah, and go to check if your stearic acid is well dissolved. If it is well dissolved, you then add your caustic soda solution into the melted stearic acid. Yes, stay. Don't be afraid if you see it bubbling. Yeah, the bubble will go away soon. Stay it until it's clear. Then go ahead to add your ethanol, that's your alcohol. You keep on stirring. Yeah, stay till any forms of oil disappears from the surface of it. And then you allow the mixture to cool to 60 degrees Celsius before you add your fragrance. And then you go ahead to pour it into your mold, soap mold. You see, it is that very simple to make. It is quite simple. Or what do you think? Isn't it simple to make? Just let me know at the comment section if it is not simple to make, but to me, I feel it is very simple to make. It is very, very simple. Allow the soap to stay on the mold for 24 hours before you pop out the soap. Your mold it. Yeah, but if you're using a longer mold like 8 kg soap mold, the wooden one or any one, at 7 hours, 6 to 7 hours, you should pop out your soap from the mold so that you'll be able to slice it, cut it into perfect sizes that will look very beautiful, smooth, for you to be able to sell. Else, if it stays longer than that, you wouldn't be able to slice it to cut it into the shape and the sizes you're actually looking out for, so you could package it and have it go for marketing or and store it for your own use. I will repeat it again. If you are using all these cavity soap molds, some comes in 6, some comes in maybe 3, some comes in 9. You can allow your soap in a well-ventilated area to stay for 24 hours before you unmold it. You take it out of the mold. But if you are using a larger size of mold that doesn't have cavities, I beg your pardon, you unmold your soap after 6 to 7 hours so that you'll be able to slice it to cut it into the shape you wish to package. You understand? Yes, yes. And voila, you have your glycerin soap. Oh, what a beauty to be. Oh, what a beauty to be. Oh, please just let me know at the comment section if you have tried it out and tell me how it came out or how they come out. How it yeah. Oh my God, I just hope you understand me. Yes. How it looks like after you pop out of the mold. Yeah. Bye. See you next time when I upload another new video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. I remain Victoria Odofia.